This is a shaft cutting machine. It has got a 20 kVA transformer inside the machine. This one is a microcontroller. This one is a FRL. You can connect the air over here. This is solenoid bar 1. This is solenoid bar 2. These are the clamping cylinders. These are the welding jaws. This is cutting cylinder. This one is the pump on off switch. This one here is the current selector switch. This over here is a foot switch for starting the cutting. For setting the timer, you can switch on this timer switch, press the set button, you will find squeeze glowing. Set the timing, say about 25 cycles. Again press the set button, you will find weld time glowing. Set the timing to 40 cycles. Again press the set button, you will find forge time glowing. Set it on 50 cycles. Again press the set button, you will find repeat time glowing. Set the timing as per the wire feeder requirement and again press the set button. Now this timer is ready for operation. You can keep this one cycle repeat time on repeat side, no weld side, switch to the weld side and then start using the machine. Switch on this timer, switch on this repeat timer, switch on this weld timer, keep the heat percentage at 65%. You can insert the wire from this pipe like this up to the notch in the center. Now you can press the foot switch. You will see the cutting taking place.